Next topic is polygon clipping. So basically the polygon clipping is the process in which we only consider the part of which is inside the view of the particular window or the plane. So we will remove or the clip the part which is the outside of the window, means which is not visible from the window. So this is the polygon clipping here. There is a two types of polygon clipping algorithm. Basically, the polygon is nothing but the collection of the line. So we might think that the line clipping algorithm can be used directly for the polygon clipping. However, when we choose or when we close that polygon, is clipped as a collection of line with the line clipping algorithm. That means simply we can follow the line clipping algorithm for the every side of that polygon. The original closed polygon become a one or more open polygon or district line, which is considered as we need to modify the line clipping algorithm to clip the polygon. So we can little bit modify that algorithm for polygon clipping. So we can consider a polygon which having the closed solid area. Hence, after clipping, it should be remain closed. Okay. सपोज आपण नुसतं लाईन क्लिपिंग अल्गोरिदम कन्सिडर केला तर तो लाईन क्लिप केल्यानंतर पॉलिगॉनचा काय करेल, पॉलिगॉन म्हणजे तो एक क्लोज एरिया आहे तो डिस्प्ले करेल का नाही. सो वी नीड टू मॉडिफाय दॅट अल्गोरिदम. हेन्स आफ्टर क्लिपिंग इट शुड रिमेन दी क्लोज. टू अचीव दिस वी रिक्वायर्ड अ अल्गोरिदम that will generate the additional line segment which makes the polygon as a closed area or the closed figure. सो आपल्याला असे काही पॅरामीटर्स त्याच्यात कॅल्क्युलेट करावे लागतील म्हणजे ज्या एजेसला इन्सर्ट होतोय तो इंटरसेक्ट होतोय. सो ते इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट आहे तर त्याच्या रिगार्डिंग आपल्याला लाईन क्रिएट करावी लागेल जेणेकरून तो तुम्हाला एक क्लोज फिगर काय करेल, डिस्प्ले करेल. So there is a algorithm, Cohen-Sutherland or Sutherland algorithm for the polygon clipping. The polygon clipping area deals with the 4 different clipping cases. Okay, that means the left side, top side, bottom side. So the output of each case in the different parameters. So first we have to discuss about the case number 1. So which is the left clip area. Basically, in the left side polygon clipping, we only remove the left part of the polygon, which is the outside from the window, which is not visible. So we only save the portion which is inside the window. So this is the case here. We only clip the left side parameter, which is outside the particular window. Next case is the right clip. So in the right clip polygon clipping, we only remove the part which is not visible from the right side of the window. So we only save the portion which is inside the window. So here we can remove the right hand parameter. Next one is the topmost parameter. Basically on the top side polygon clipping, we only remove the part which is the outside the window. Okay, and we save the parameters of remaining which is visible. After lastly we can remove the clipping. So we can follow the particular sequence for the clipping of the polygon. So there should be a following condition while we clip the polygon. So there is a n number of condition here. So first condition is the out in. If the first vertex of the polygon is the outside and the second vertex is the inside the window, then the output will be the intersection point and the second vertex. For example, ही एक लाईन दिलेली आहे V1 and V2. फर्स्ट पॅरामीटर कुठे आहे, आउटसाइड दी विंडो, आणि नेक्स्ट पॅरामीटर कुठे आहे, इनसाइड दी विंडो. मग आता जेव्हा मी इंटरसेक्ट त्याचा फाइंड आउट करते, सो मी कोणत्या व्हॅल्यू सेव्ह करणार आहे, V1 डॅश अँड V2, because V2 is inside and V1 is the outside. So we can save V1 dash here and V2. Second condition, in out. So if the first vertex of the polygon is inside and the second vertex is the outside, then the output will be a इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. सो माझा आउटपुट काय असणार आहे, हा इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट असणार आहे, विच इज द V1 dash. Next case is the in condition. Basically, if both the vertex of the polygon are inside the window, then we can consider the output will be a second vertex. Okay. आता जेव्हा आपण मूव्ह करणार आहे फ्रॉम वन साइड टू अनदर, म्हणजे लेफ्ट, टॉप, बॉटम, राईट, तेव्हा आपल्याला ह्या कंडिशन्स काय कराव्या लागतील, चेक करावे लागतील टू सेव्ह द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिगॉन, बिकॉज वी नीड टू बी अ डिस्प्ले द क्लोज फिगर विच इज इनसाइड द विंडो. सो पहिल्या कंडिशन मध्ये आपण काय बघितलं की जर कंडिशन मध्ये पहिला पॅरामीटर आणि सेकंड पॅरामीटर, पहिला पॅरामीटर बाहेर असेल आणि सेकंड पॉइंट जर आत असेल, सो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट आणि सेकंड व्हर्टेक्स आपण काय करणार आहे, सेव्ह करणार आहे. याच्यामध्ये काय करणार आहे, इन आउट मध्ये इफ द फर्स्ट व्हर्टेक्स ऑफ द पॉलिगॉन इज इनसाइड अँड सेकंड व्हर्टेक्स इज आउटसाइड द विंडो, देन वी विल सेव्ह द इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. मग आपण काय करणार आहे, फक्त इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट काय करणार आहे, सेव्ह करणार आहे. आणि दोन्ही आत असेल तर आपण काय करतो, सेकंड व्हर्टेक्स काय करतो, कन्सिडर करतो किंवा सेव्ह करतो. थर्ड कंडिशन, आउट means both the vertex of the particular polygon is outside the window, then we cannot consider any output value because it is not found in the particular area of the window, so we cannot save anything. So this is the parameter. For example, if we consider here is the example. If we consider the particular line or the particular polygon which is inside or outside, how to shift from one to another. For example, if we travel V1 to V2, okay, if we travel V1 to V2, what is the V1 is outside and V2 is inside, so we can save V1 dash and V2 here. Next is the, if we travel from V1 to V2, both are the inside, so we can consider the V2 here, because if we consider both the point which is inside the window, then we can only save the second parameter. Here the case, if we travel from V1 to V2, means first vertex is inside and second vertex is outside, so we only save the intersection point, that is V1 dash. And next one is the, if we can consider both the vertex of the polygon which is outside the window, then at that time we cannot save anything, we only maintain the above coordinates. So here is the case where we can consider the point V1 dash, this is V1 dash, then we can save V2 here, then we can save V1 here, sorry, and V1 dash. So we only save that parameter, and with the help of this we can draw the polygon which is closed figure which is visible from the window here. So here is the example of polygon clipping. The input of polygon is 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 200. Clipping area is given, and after clipping, we can there is a triangle. So this is also a polygon because it is a closed figure. So here the parameters of polygon is given. So with the after clipping, we can get the output coordinates 150, 6, 162, 150, 200, 200, 200, and 200, 174. This is the parameter we can get after the polygon clipping, and only display the visible portion or the portion which is inside the polygon, which is the closed figure. सो हे येलो कलर मध्ये दिसते बघा, इट इज अ क्लोज फिगर. जर नॉर्मल तुम्ही लाईन क्लिपिंग कन्सिडर केली असती तर पॉलिगॉनची जी लाईन आहे एजेस त्या फक्त डिस्प्ले झाल्या असत्या. ती एक क्लोज फिगर आहे, ती डिस्प्ले झाली नसती. फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी quite change the particular Cohen-Sutherland algorithm for the line clipping to implement the polygon clipping. So there is a first step of the polygon clipping algorithm. First one is the read the coordinates of all the vertex of the given polygon. पहिले आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, सगळे पॉलिगॉनचे जे व्हर्टेक्स आहे ते काय करायचे, रीड करायचे. आफ्टर दॅट रीड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द क्लिपिंग विंडो. पहिले आपण रेक्टँगल म्हणजे जो पण पॉलिगॉन आहे त्याचे व्हर्टेक्स रीड केले. After that, we can read the particular clipping window parameter. After that, consider the left edge of the window because we can travel from left, right, top, bottom. So first we have to consider the left edge of the given window. Then compare that vertex of each edge of the polygon individually with the help of that clipping plane. After that, we can, according to that previously discussed condition, we can save that resultant intersections and the vertex in the new list or the new array. Okay, so that we can recording of the 4 possible relationship between the edges and the clipping boundaries discussed earlier. After that, we can repeat the steps, previous 2 steps till the particular each and every edge of that particular polygon is scanned, and we can display the resultant array as a image which is inside the polygon window and stop. This is the basic algorithm for the polygon clipping. We can consider one example here. For the polygon and clipping window, there is a clipping window. V1, V2, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. This is your clipping window. This is your polygon. First, we can read the vertex, which is V1, V2, V3, V4, and V5. After clipping each boundary, we can get the new vertex list. Means we can create a new array. Okay. So first we have to clip the left side of that particular window. So we can get, if we travel from V1 to V2, so we can get the intersection point. Okay. So after clipping, we can get the particular next point. So here, if we extend the edges, we can get the V1 dash here. So after clipping the left side, we can get V1, V1 dash, V2 dash, because there is an intersection, V3, V4, and V5, because we only clip the left part. After that, the right side clipping. We already get V1, V1 dash, V2 dash. Both are the right side does not execute or does not found any intersection. So we get the same vertex list here. After that, top side, here we can get the intersection point. So we can get V1, V1 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, because there is a intersection is there. After that, we can travel from this to this. So we get the next intersection, V4 dash and V5. Okay. After clipping the bottom area, we can travel V1, V1 dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V4 dash. And when we travel from V5 to this into out, so we get the last one, V5 dash. So this is the vertex list which is used for displaying the particular window. So whenever we can travel from this to this, we get the new intersection here. So which is called as a V2 double dash. So we can replace the V1 and V2. Okay, we can replace the V1 and V1 dash with the help of V2 double dash. So we get the new vertex list V2 double dash, V2 dash, V3 dash, V4 dash and V5 dash after clipping the bottom area. So with the help of this we can display the vertex V2 double dash, V2 dash, V3, V3 dash, V4 dash, V5 and V5 dash. So this is the polygon here we can display with the help of new vertex list. This is the example of polygon clipping here.